Hey.
Good morning. Day 5. We got to sleep in a little bit. We're bowling at 12. Watching Alex bowl now. Let's go. All right, so me and Harry got to sleep in this morning because we don't bowl until 12 o'clock. We showed up for Alex's last game. He's bowling pretty good right now after 4. He's about 20 or 30 under, bowling pretty good right now. So, yeah. Yes, sir. It's going to be a fun time. Let's see what he can do.
Yes, sir. See it. Come on, ball. Get there.
All right, so after the first squad, Alex got in the number. He bowled pretty good this morning. And now it's my turn to bowl. Mike's got to get in too. And
Minus 175.
we're just going to bowl better this time. Right.
I mean, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking if we got 5 games, that means 305 times is plus 500. It's gonna happen, right?
No response.
Dude, look at this thing. Oh, baby. See it.
Okay, so update on Sydney here for the vlog. She is 3 rounds in, lost her first match and won her next 2. She threw like the back 4 to win her last match. Hi Harry, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. So now you're bowling round 4 in the round of 8. There's 8 left. So go get 'em. That's what I'm saying.
Come on! Alright. Come on! Wheel! Come on!
Mike, how are we doing in the booth?
Hey, I'm having a great time with you, brother.
That's all I'm saying. It's a
You
pretty
had
fun
a good
time.
time bowling today. You know, things didn't go exactly the way you planned it. You know, I
But it's
didn't want to
okay.
see 160 my last game, but hey, we got here and we're here now and we're having a good time, you know?
Yeah, so we're in the booth right now, and I'm gonna say, you know what? We'll see you all tomorrow because we got Bohn to watch.
Oh my God! Can't blow it! Corona!
Like that.
Wait, what you have? Yeah, with the Roni.
Yo, your first thoughts, man. This is what you get.
Step down and my
Dude, I can't put that in.
Dude, I cannot cut this.
Don't mess it up.
I'll suck and stab you.
I go to the ground, I thought I cracked my phone. Why do you think you cracked your phone?
Birthday vlog gone wrong.
Dude, what are you doing?
And hit yourself, and that's gonna be the end of that.
Well,
The end.
That was unsuccessful.
Dad,
Dad.
come on.
Oh my God.
Her especially. She's got old tomorrow.
Who does?
Natalie.
That's it?
You two.
I have to go to
You
bed.
guys, you can wash all the cars out of the garage.
Yes.
Take 6, 4, 7.
All right, so day 5 is over. I think it's day 5.
Day 5.
I
Day
think
5 is over. Day 6 is tomorrow. But don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.
yeah, Brandon's bowling the finals, Natalie's bowling the finals, Haley's bowling in the finals, and Sydney finished 7th and 8th. And me and Harry will be watching. So see you tomorrow.